Hey everyone, it's Heather with Best Laid Plans, and today I have a quick haul and flip through for you. I have my floral bundle for spring from the Happy Planner, and I wanted to try and do a quick haul video. I wanted to apologize in advance for the purple on my hands. I have been playing around with my hair, and so it's not quite washed off from when I colored it, but it's not going to get on anything, so no worries about the stuff here for the haul. So this is a bundle that Happy Planner released this spring. I think it was February 5th it came out. Might have been February 4th. But they did sell out. I know there is a way you can email them to see when it comes back in stock. This was only released on the Happy Planner website. I imagine that they will be releasing these separately. Some of the items, like there's a build your own sticker book in here. And if it's anything like the last bundle that they did, they'll probably have a second like restocking. So if you want this, I would go ahead and get on Happy Planner's email list and check and see when it is back in stock. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and, I haven't actually opened this, I just got this nice wrapping paper. And it matches, oh, it matches the box. That's nice. So start with this. This is the storage box that came with it. It's got these lovely like daisies, and it's blue and like kind of a cloud print. And this is the inside of the box. So I will take a picture of everything once this is assembled and have this on my Instagram. But this is what that looks like. And they sent this really pretty wrapping paper that matches. I'm going to keep the wrapping paper. I always keep pretty wrapping paper for holidays and things like that. All right, so the first thing I see is a card. It says, "I want to feel as free as the flowers. Happy things inside." This is so beautiful. Ooh. Okay, so here is what is inside. They've got the tags for this Be Happy box. It has the storage bundle, so that's what it looks like set up. It has a build your own book storage, which is really cool. So you could take sticker sheets out of your different Happy Planner sticker books and combine them to create the sticker book. And I like that because eventually when I will be like maybe more mobile than I am now, I hate having to take like 7 sticker books with me when I know I'm just going to be using a couple different pages from them. So I think it would be nice to use this. You could even build your own sticker books with this. And I know that this is an item they're going to have possibly in the spring release that comes out sometime in March, but I know that they said they're going to have this as a separate product. And I think that's awesome. This is a great product. Then there are some coloring sheets, so you can color in stickers. So that's really cool. And then we have 3 different 30 sheet sticker books. There is, and they're all floral themed. One is more of like a bright pastel. One is like a dark purple, which I love. And the other it is very similar in tone to like the minimalist palette. This is not a makeup review. The minimalist sticker book. So if you've seen that, it's like those neutral sort of shades. So I really like the variety in this, and I think it's going to be super awesome. So here's the back of the card. Let's go ahead and get into this and do a quick flip through of everything. So I'm going to start with the Pressed Florals sticker book. And it looks like we have, again, a very nice variety. I've seen that Happy Planner has been doing a really good variety of stickers in each of the packs. You have some monthly boxes, you have some colorful boxes, you've got some quotes, and you have some clear and other stickers, some, you know, sidebar stickers, just a little bit of everything. So it's really versatile. So I'm just going to kind of flip through So we got some quotes. Ooh, some larger stickers. Got some colorful boxes, again in those kind of bright pastels. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks like cherry blossoms. Oh wow, see, these really do look like pressed flowers. This is gorgeous. And these are foil clear stickers. Again, a good color variety in this. And so these are just stickers on paper. Oh, that's a really pretty, this is like a mint green floral. We have some clear stickers, and these actually have, the stems are foil. It's a really neat effect. I really like that. So we have some like washi stickers, some headers that match the same tones. So we have some monthly boxes. And we have some full boxes as well. And these are foiled. So that's the first sticker book. And then we have this sophisticated florals. And this is the one that I think would mesh really well with the minimalist Happy Planner Girl sticker book. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Oh, some quote boxes. And it's kind of hard to see, so I'll hold this up, but they have these nice, beautiful black and white and neutral colored floral illustrations inside those. That's really cool. This reminds me of like a library catalog. This might be interesting to use for like a reading log. I love these neutral boxes. These are really nice. So then we have some rose gold clear foil stickers. Some black foil, not foil, just plain black clear stickers. And we have this sort of peachy pink color, more rose gold foil. Oh, some really large rose gold foil, florals. Oh, this is like large peonies. And here we have some like floral lines, some larger ones in different colors, some circles. We have some nice quotes. These are clear stickers. Some more clear stickers with foil. More clear stickers with foil. And all the foil in this is rose gold. Clear stickers. Ooh, these are really pretty. So this is just some functional stickers, and they are neutral colored and they have rose gold foil. Some full boxes. A lot of full boxes in this one. And some full boxes with foil. I really like this one. I'm pretty sure Happy Planner will be releasing these as separate books from the Be Happy box. I hope they will, but these are really, really nice. So let's get into the last sticker book before we look at the other things. This is Beauty in Florals, and this is probably the one I was most excited about because I feel like it's really hard to find these more violet, like muted jewel toned hues. And we had in the goals bundle this past fall a jewel tone boxes, but I haven't really seen those colors anywhere else. I've seen like neutrals or brights or pastels, but this is such a unique and nice color. So let's go ahead and flip through these. Oh wow. So we have some gold foil on these It's very subtle. Oh, that is so pretty. Just gorgeous, gorgeous tones on these. And these ones here are clear stickers. Those are really beautiful. So we have some clear stickers that have quotes around them. So looks like a larger amount of decorative stickers with these. Really beautiful quote stickers. So we have some clear stickers, but these are like washi stickers. Some little diamonds. And these are getting in the paper instead of the clear stickers now. Some monthly boxes. Just really, really beautiful tones to these. And this kind of reminds me of the Dream sticker book with these boxes that are like rhombuses, diamond shape. So we have some sidebars, some full boxes, and it looks like these are kind of more journal prompts or wellness prompts. So it says reflect and feeling. And we have them again in all the different color tones. Oh wow, these are really pretty. And again, it looks like these are these would work well for like a wellness planner or journal. It looks like they have questions like, what is one emotion you've been feeling a lot of lately? How can you move forward with those? Some gratitude prompts. So these would actually work really well with journals too. We have some top 3 list and some really pretty jewel toned heart icons. And here we have some smaller diamond shapes and full boxes. And these ones, again, on the top are foiled. So I really like this one. It definitely is a little bit different from the others, and that has more of a wellness focus and more decorative elements, but I think that they would all still go really well together in a spread, but very happy to have this. So we also got some sticker sheets that are just the, I'm gonna open this up. Just the florals that you can actually color. So you can color these with like a colored pencil, crayon, anything. They're just paper stickers. And it looks like you get a couple of each. Ooh, I really like the one with the daisies. Yeah, it looks like you get a couple of each in each one. Maybe like 3 of each. So that's that one. And we got 2 full packs of them, which is really nice. So if you like to do like coloring to de-stress, or it's like a nice exercise, this would be really great because you can color these and then use them in your planner. And I'm just going to check the card to see how many of those actually came in the pack. So there's 20 of these all together. So like almost a full size sticker book of these, really. And last but not least, there is the Create Your Own Sticker Pack. And it looks like this actually will hold up to 50 sticker sheets. So it's almost like making your own mega book, which is nice. I was thinking that this would be just like the size of a normal sticker book, but it's quite large. So you can fit a lot of sticker sheets in this. So the way that it is set up is it has this clear cover here, and you can write on that what the stickers you're using are. And then it has this nice like metal screw gauge, and it just comes up like this and twist off, and then you're able to put up to 50 sheets just right out of your sticker book. So I could even just to show you. So here's 20 sticker sheets. Just like that. And then you're able to take it with you if you're planning on the go, or you can make even your own sticker storage. And I actually really like the book system better than the like taking sticker sheets out and putting them on as like a separate disc bound. The book storage works really well for me. So if I were to completely reorganize my stickers by sheet, then I would use this method. I just think it's really, really nice. So that is the last thing in there. And I just realized that this, I thought this was just like a random piece of paper, but this actually is stickers. So all of these are stickers that came with that. So that's really nice that this is actually a usable sticker sheet. So that is my quick haul and flip through of the Pressed Florals bundle, and I'm really happy I was able to get one of these. I didn't get the Valentine's Day Happy Box, so this is the only Be Happy box that I got for spring, but I love it, and I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of it, and I think that these are great pieces. So I look forward to seeing the Make Your Own Sticker Book sold separately, and I am excited to see what people do with those. So thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.